In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom domain to Blogger. To get started, open Blogger and select the blog you want to connect to your custom domain. Once you're inside the correct blog, go to the settings area. This is where Blogger keeps your site configuration options, including the section for domain setup. Scroll until you find the publishing section. In this area, look for the option labeled custom domain and click it. Blogger will then give you a field where you can enter the domain you want to use for your blog. Make sure you type the domain using www at the beginning, for example, www.yourdomain.com. This part is important because Blogger typically expects the www version during setup. After entering your domain, click Save. At this stage, don't worry if Blogger shows an error message. That's actually a normal part of the process when the domain hasn't been connected yet. The message appears because Blogger is checking for DNS records that still need to be added through your domain provider. What you need to pay attention to in that error message are the two CNAME records that Blogger displays. These records usually include a name or label value along with a destination or target value. Blogger provides them so you can verify ownership of the domain and point the www version correctly to your blog. Take a moment to carefully note both CNAME records exactly as they appear. Accuracy matters here because even a small typo in the label or destination can prevent the domain from connecting properly. It's a good idea to keep this Blogger tab open so you can refer back to it while completing the rest of the setup elsewhere if needed. As you look at the CNAME details, remember that these are not random errors. They are the connection instructions Blogger needs in order to recognize your domain. The first CNAME usually handles the standard Blogger routing, and the second one is used for verification. Both are important, so make sure not to skip either one. Once you've reached this point, you've completed the Blogger side of the setup and gathered the exact DNS information you need. Keeping the tab open will make the process smoother and help you avoid copying mistakes later on. That's it for this part of setting up a custom domain in Blogger. If you follow this carefully and preserve the CNAME details exactly as shown, you'll be ready for the next stage of connecting your domain successfully.